What's going on, guys? Buck here. I am going ahead and making a intro video now because tomorrow is going to be way too doggone early for me to even care about looking at a camera. I'm joining up with cousin Elvis, Cranking and Yanking, and he and I are going to go fish a tournament on Lake Murvaul. It's a tournament for, let me pull this up. I don't remember exactly what it is. It's a like a charity type thing. It is the Austin Gray Memorial Scholarship Tournament. I'm not sure who that was, and I'm not sure what the scholarship is for, whether it be college or what, but well, Elvis and I got to be up about 4 in the morning to be there about 5 to get signed in and be on the water by 6. It's gonna be a long day. We're gonna fish from 6 to 2, and I think they got different what do you call it, winnings. I think it's first, second, and third, and they got the big bass deal. And from what the guy told us this evening, they're doing like every hour they're doing a separate big bass type thing. So, you know, we got a chance of winning something maybe. I'm just hoping I can break my curse because I've had a real rough dry streak here fishing lately. So anyway, I'm out here. I'm getting ready to watch the Friday Night Live Small Water Chargers. And while I'm doing so, I'm gonna restring and clean and grease up the rod. So yeah, I guess we'll see y'all on Lake Murvaul. See y'all there.
Found my bump.
Did you?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm good.
Well, guys, we in the water. Well, the boat is in the water. Old James parking the truck. So once he gets back down here, we'll get to throwing. As you can tell, the sun is trying to come up over there. Not so much over here. So let's see what happens.
You got him? Oh man. Gar? Yeah. He did it for you. On the board. That's a nice one. It is. Can you squeeze them down a little bit? Oh, I got him. Oh no, he's still there. Oh man, come on big boy. I know you ain't happy. I finally got a Murvaul bass. I'm thinking you're right. He looks about the same size as that one you just had. Boy, he had no chance of getting off that hook. Either way, I'm gonna get a picture with him. Let's see what we got here. $16.5. Hey man. Well, brother, I appreciate your effort, but you don't count.
Get smaller, son.
Get smaller, son. It looks like it. Yep.
It's 3 17-inch reel.
I don't know, he might be 14.
I'm afraid he's not. Thanks for playing there. It's hard there.
Three nice fish, none of them count.
They count, you know, wow.
Got him. Where you going, boy? Oh no. Dude, I'm wrapped up in your stuff now. Dude. I knew that wasn't no little bass.
That is a beast. 321 inches. 321 inches.
God.
That might be your PB, book.
Hey, what time is it? We gotta go back to the launch, dog. Oh, I'm definitely gonna weigh him.
No, you ain't.
For my own personal satisfaction, I'm weighing him. Look, man, I need you to do the honors for me here. Oh, shit. Hey, Bubba, look at this.
Check like you had. That boy too. Man, I can't believe that's something.
This might be my new PB.
That's so much as that's 5 pounds. What is your PB?
7. $4.15. Man, that's hard to believe. Look how big he is. That red gambler. I don't think he got any shorter.
Add an inch to it.
I'm gonna have to give him a little rehab. Not much. Yeah, I'll say he's about 18. Barely hooked. What is it? Oh yeah. Got him. I'm sure. What the hell? Dude, I got a fish and a stick. Are you kidding me? Oh, don't do that, boy. Looks like another slot fish. Oh. He's pulling the line on me.
Slot. Right on that 17-inch mark.
Man, on a day when you don't want to catch nice fish, well, I'm going to check him out just to be safe. Boy, he's heavy. I'm going to weigh him just for good measure. You think that's in the bracket? £3. All right, buddy. Yeah. Look at that. That's a hog. He needs to be 21. Man. Hey, let's get a weight on him anyway. I know you want a picture.
4 pounds and 15 ounces. Come on. $4.10. You want to do the honors? That might be a keeper. Hey, cut some of that tail off. We can't win for losing. Shit, he better be.
That's about 19.
20 3/4. Did you? Yeah, might as well. He's big enough. £4 pounds, 2 ounces. He does have a bad eye. Damn. Hell, I didn't hear you. Well, yeah, if you get them to me. Well, he's dark. Well, I mean, at this point, does it matter? He went, oh damn, dude, net. That was crazy what just happened.
Dude, my worm bounced over that log and he was underneath it and he nailed it.
Go ahead and bump him and put him back in the water.
That was on that good old bruiser. Look at that. I can't believe I got him in. Hey, I'm gonna have to get you to take a picture of me with this. That's a little too big for a selfie. Well, I said I wanted at least one more. I got it.
Yeah.
See what you working with here, bud. Well, I appreciate all your effort, buddy. Should be good.
Alright guys, that's it. Elvis is back at the house. I'm almost back at the house. I lost count how many fish we caught, but we had a great day. Unfortunately, every fish that we caught was in the bracket. That lake has a real strange bracket. It's from 14 to 21 inches. Our biggest, let me see if I can get rid of that glare. Nope. Our biggest was, I think, 20 and a half. Our smallest was 14 and a half. So a half inch killed us either direction. What are you gonna do? But hey, I finally got that skunk off me. And I did it with a 5 pound, a 4 pound, and a few 3 pounds, so I'm not upset at all. I had a great day and I needed that. This pretty much turned into a dink tournament because of that bracket, and we didn't stick around for the final weigh-in. There's a couple more boats that needed to weigh their bags, but last we heard, 11 pounds was in the lead. Crazy.
New text message from Joe Parabellum.
New text message from Joe Parabellum. Between the two of us, we ended up with about a 30-pound bag. So 30 pounds and didn't mean one bit towards the tournament, but it don't matter. It's all good. The entry fees went to a great cause, so no complaints. Got a great day of fishing, and it was for a good cause, so we still won. But anyway, we've been at it for 8 hours, and that sun started getting mighty hot, and I'm pulling into the house now. I think I'm going to take me a little cat nap before I edit, so we'll we'll see y'all on the next trip.